Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payouts from eBay managed payments in the US step by step clearly. To withdraw payouts from eBay managed payments in the US, start by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the payments section in your account settings. Once there, locate the payouts option. Click on view payouts to open the payout summary page. You'll see a list of your recent payouts, including the amount and date. Select the payout you wish to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw or Transfer to Bank button next to the selected payout. If you haven't set up a bank account for withdrawals yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your bank details accurately, ensuring all information is correct. After entering your bank information, confirm the details. Return to the payout summary and select the payout again. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer is processing. Keep an eye on your email for further updates regarding the status of your payout. Typically, it takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reach your bank account. If you encounter any issues, visit the eBay help section for troubleshooting assistance. Monitor your account for any updates or changes regarding the payout process. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw payouts from eBay managed payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.